Speaking of leaked Google products, you must have seen this one. Home Depot started selling a Google product that hasn't even been announced yet. Announced.
Yeah.
Announced. That's a new, wow, that is high-level leaking.
They have a lot of inventory, I guess.
It's hilarious. It's the new Chromecast with Google TV up for sale right now for $49.99. Of course, not
Can you
announced.
still buy it?
What's that?
Or
Yeah.
is it? Oh,
Yeah.
you can still buy it now.
Yeah, it's on the shelf.
Oh,
People are
they didn't
finding
take
it in
it?
all kinds of different Home Depots.
Oh, okay.
Purchased directly in store from Walmart and the Home Depot. People have picked up last week. I don't know if Google even tried to police it at that point. They're like, one more day.
Yeah.
Few people get it early. Whatever. The funny part is on the receipt, it doesn't say Chromecast. It says Sabrina Abbey Rock Candy.
Oh.
That's what you bought at Home Depot. That's the code name for the device. So you would think maybe somebody inside a Home Depot would say, that's a weird inventory name.
Yeah.
Maybe we're not selling that yet. But you know how it goes.
It's not the right SKU.
They got so many SKUs. Imagine Home Depot, how many SKUs they got. They got a SKU for the little
Nails
hardware.
and-
Yeah. It's incredible. So anyway, that's what it looks like. They're kind of changing the name of this stuff a little bit. So it's called Google TV is what they're calling the interface. Of course, the price is listed there, $49.99. It's going to come in a white finish, which Google calls snow. And we're going to find out everything once again on September 30th, which is today at 2 p.m. Eastern.
And it has a remote, by the way.
Oh, yes. Has a kind of a Apple TV-esque remote.
With kind of like a touchpad.
Or a Roku remote. They all kind of look like that, these slender little remotes. But anyways, yes, we'll find out everything at 2 p.m. today, which is shortly after you're watching this, so we don't have to wait too long.